Hello everyone, you are all welcome to Alveoly E-learning. Alveoly E-learning is a non-governmental organization that supports the learning of students across the country. With Alveoly E-learning, we exchange your learning problems with our simple learning solutions like the alveoli of the lungs, exchanging carbon dioxide with oxygen. Today, Alveoly E-learning is going to provide a simple introduction to the nursing course. This will enable you have a better understanding of your nursing or midwifery or public health program. Anatomy comes from the word anat, which means body, and tomy, which means to cut. Hence, when the body is literally cut into various parts, and each part of the body is studied, it is referred to anatomy. However, when you study the functions of the parts, it is referred to as physiology. Hence, anatomy and physiology are related like a brother and a sister. Anatomy deals with the study of the structure, whilst physiology deals with function. In the senior high school, we studied that all living things are made up of a part matter. Matter is anything that has mass and volume, can occupy space. When two or more atoms of the same kind combined, they form an element. When two or more elements combined, they form a compound. The above implies that without the atoms which forms the smallest part, a compound cannot be formed. Hence, if we can't form a compound, then there will be no matter as well. This is the same thing that is happening in the human body. However, with the human body, it is made up of a minute, or a smallest part known as a cell. When two or more cells combine to perform a specific function, we call it tissues. When two or more tissues come together to perform a specific function, they form organs. When two or more organs come together to perform a particular function, they form organ systems, which involves the digestion system, respiratory system, nervous system, reproductive system, endocrine system, musculoskeletal system, sensory system, urinary system, etc. When all these systems come together to perform a specific function, then they form a living organism, or human, hence in a field of health, the patient or client that has to be cared for. Hence, a cell is defined as the basic structural and functional unit of a living organism. End of part 1 of Introduction to Nursing, Midwifery and Public Health Program by Alveoly E-learning. Comments and ask question. Watch out for the part 2 and more simple tuition on Alveoly E-learning. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more simple tutorials. Alveoly E-learning, bringing simple tuition to your doorsteps.